Unlock flexible payment options on Amazon by learning how to master Klarna. First things first, you'll need to be making your Amazon purchases through the Klarna app or website. Klarna isn't directly integrated into Amazon's checkout process, so this is your gateway to using Klarna for Amazon buys. Once you're in the Klarna app or on their website, simply use the search function to find the specific product you're looking for on Amazon. This effectively lets you shop Amazon through Klarna. You'll see the product details mirrored. And crucially, you'll see Klarna's payment options presented. This is where you'll choose your preferred payment plan. Klarna typically offers various payment plans. These might include options like Pay in 4, where you split your purchase into 4 equal payments, or longer-term financing for larger items. Eligibility and specific plans will depend on your credit assessment and the purchase amount. After selecting your payment plan, you'll proceed to checkout. Within the Klarna interface, you'll need to confirm your purchase, and then your order will be processed for delivery from Amazon. Managing your Klarna account is straightforward. Within the Klarna app or website, you can view your upcoming payments, track your spending, and make payments manually if you choose. It's all about keeping your finances organized. Klarna will also send you timely reminders for your payments, so you can avoid late fees. This makes it super easy to stay on track with your purchases. So, there you have it. By shopping Amazon items via the Klarna app, you can confidently manage your budget and enjoy a more flexible way to shop online.